Sa media pa rin tayo, nag-decide ang Korte Suprema na yung mga talents ng GMA network are regular employees. And this also applies to other media outfits siguro. And landmark decision ito. And 100 talents of GMA 7 ay nag-file ng kaso against GMA 7 and 11 years na pending ito. Ngayon lang na-decidean. At dito sa desisyon na ito, it was favorable to them. At sinabi na ang mga talent ng GMA 7 should be considered as regular employees, not as independent contractors. At sabi nila kasi ang GMA, they control yung means and methods of work ng mga talent doon sa talent agreement ng GMA at itong mga empleyado nito, nakalagay pa na each employee is bound by the company rules and direction. So with this, yung control test na sinasabi, na pag ang employer mo sinasabi kung ano ang gagawin mo sa trabaho, paano mo gagawin yung trabaho, and dinidikta kung kailan ka papasok, and other orders, sinasabi nila, you are a regular employee. At yung employer-employee relationship will give them the benefits that are due them doon sa labor code, including holiday pay, the required allowances, the night differentials kung nagtatrabaho sila ng gabi. Actually, na-reinstate itong mga GMA talents na ito. More than 100 GMA talents were reinstated, complete with back wages.